What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, welcome to video number 5 in my Build a List, Build a Business Extreme YouTube video series. I hope that you guys are following along. And for anybody who's finding me for the very first time, guys, go ahead on and click that subscribe button, because if you ain't careful, you might just learn some things you never knew. Okay, guys, let's dig into video number 5, guys. Okay, let's recap where we started, guys. Okay, and from the very first video, I talked to you guys about the fact that if you could build a list, you could build a business. And so in the previous videos, I talked about the way to start building a list is by creating your own capture pages. And I use this particular capture page throughout the examples that I've been, to paint an illustration for you guys of exactly how to bring this process together. So we talked about this capture page, guys. If you follow me in the other videos, if you haven't, guys, you can go to my playlist and you can find all the previous videos that'll bring you up to speed. At any rate, guys, this is the capture page that I created and that I used in this example. And in this capture page, I showed you guys how to redirect to a landing page, right? And I showed you guys a mini website that I created. And I told you guys when you could build your own list, you could build your own business. And the way to start building your own list is by way of a capture page that would be integrated into an autoresponder. And I talked about the purpose of the capture page being to capture data, i.e. the name and or email addresses of potential prospects coming onto your list as you start to build it. I also said to you guys that as you started to build your list, you could create relationships with people all over the world, guys, and throughout the United States and Canada or wherever you wanted to, right? And I said one of the most powerful things about creating your own list, right? Building your own list is the fact that you can continue, create and build relationships with people coming onto your list, and you can continue to market products and services to your list, guys, as your list started to grow. Then we talked about the email autoresponder and how you would be able to set up a series of emails, guys, right, which is integrated into your capture page. These things are all integrated together that follows up with your list on complete automation if you wanted to. And I told you guys you could even create newsletters or broadcasts to correspond with your list. And this is the particular follow-up email or drip campaign I have that's going to be going out to people coming on to this list, being redirected to this lander. And of course, as soon as they're on my list, you can see, guys, on day 0, I send my potential prospects 2 emails on the same day. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way through 25 days of emails, and that's on complete automation. Now, at the very beginning of this series, guys, I actually showed you guys another capture page, and this particular capture page is just one of many, right, that I've created. But this particular capture page is a capture page that I created inside of GetResponse, okay? And it's the same idea, guys, and the interface is very similar. So we're going to jump over here inside my GetResponse account, and as you can see, similar to the Power Lead system, right over here, guys, you have various tabs that you can click to move you to the particular module, right, that part of this members area that you want to be redirected to. And for the sake of this example, all I want you guys to understand is the fact that the same thing that you can do the exact same thing using GetResponse that you can do with the Power Lead system. And that's exactly how I created this particular template. Now, let me show you what you guys who may opt to use GetResponse as opposed to the Power Lead system. Keeping in mind that you can do the exact same thing with both of these particular marketing platforms, okay? You can create landing pages, you can create email follow-up, autoresponder messages, you can create multiple lists. But I talked about the capture page, so I just want to jump over here real quick, the landing pages, and show you guys just a few of the different types of templates you're going to have access to. Okay, so once you're inside of here, guys, you can see. I want to get out of that page, right? Let's get out of here. Okay, now, right here, guys, is where you have all of those different types of templates that you can use. Now, there are templates, and this is one of the things I really like about GetResponse, that speak to just about any particular niche that you can think of, okay? Any particular niche that you could possibly think of. The done for you templates back here are already ready for you guys to go in and do a little bit of editing and make them so that they'll be friendly to your particular target audience. Okay, their target audience friendly, depending on the niche that you are in or whatever it is you want to promote. And so, of course, I'm just scrolling along a little bit, and you can see that they have some pretty cool pages back here. Now, when you're back here, guys, all you would simply do is you would scroll down and till you found a page that you wanted to work with, and you will simply click that page, guys. And when you do that, you'll have the capability of editing that page. And you can see, guys, there's quite a few templates in here, and they're all you can access them. They're all at your fingertips, guys, at the click of a mouse, and you can actually use these templates. Right, I'm just going to click this one, right? And you can go in here again, guys, and you can edit these templates to speak to your particular target audience. Now, once you've created a template, and I'm just going to let this load, guys, it's going to take a few seconds. But once you've created your template, guys, the exact same process that we talked about in terms of being able to redirect this page to wherever you wanted to, you would be able to do that inside of GetResponse. I didn't want to go through the whole spiel because once you guys get back here, I promise you, before you know it, guys, you'll be creating capture pages like nobody's business. You know what I mean? You'll be able to get back here and do it. Now, when you do, guys, if you double click here, you can see, right? Once you double click, this is where the editing takes place, right? And so you can come back here and you can put anything you want. And when you do, guys, you'll be able to save it. You'll be able to click the different, there are different components of the capture page, these landing pages. You can click and or edit them to make them say anything that you want. And of course, there's your name and the email address fields down there. You can even change the signature down here, guys. So there's a lot of creativity going on back here. A lot of what's going to get you guys, when I told you guys that your mind should start percolating, and you're going to get really excited about the fact that when you start to do this type of thing, your imagination is just going to really take off. Okay, because again, there's no ceiling or no limit to the products and services that you can advertise, or whether it's a business opportunity, an affiliate product and or service. There's just no limit to what you're going to be able to do back here inside of GetResponse. Okay, so these are just some of the templates, again, that you're going to have instant access to as a member of GetResponse. Now, let me show you one other thing, and we're going to jump out of here, guys. And we're going to get ourselves ready for some traffic, right? Because we're almost ready for me to do the case study, okay? So now, guys, once you're back here, let me just show you one more thing inside of GetResponse. Now, when you go to email marketing inside here, guys, you look up here, there's your autoresponders, right? So I'm going to click that. Now, I already have an autoresponder set up in here. You can see, guys, I already got a follow-up campaign. It's something new that I'm working on right now, right? But you can see I already have my email set up. I'm going through some editing. I'm doing some things, which is why you guys don't see me on video so much. I'm preparing. I'm working. I'm working, guys. Okay. So anyway, lots going on back here, but again, the same way that you set up an email campaign inside of the Power Lead system, you'll be able to come back here inside of GetResponse, set up an email campaign that's connected to your capture page, and so on and so forth. And so that's how that works. And so I use both the Power Lead system and GetResponse because it's like apples and oranges. There's a lot of diversity with both of these particular platforms. And so I like both of them, and I use both of them. And I'm actually relatively new to GetResponse, but I talked to you guys about some other things we'll uncover in the series in terms of list segmentation or things of that nature. And so we'll be able to go more in depth with get response with list segmentation, although you can do it with the Power Lead system. So guys, this particular series, right? My series, I've gotten so carried away with this series, guys, and I'm feeling so good. And there are so many places I can go with my build a list, build a business extreme YouTube video series, guys, that it's not going to end anytime soon. The videos that I put up will be built inside of this playlist. We'll continue to move forward in my build a list, build a business YouTube video series, guys, because we're going to move into other areas of internet and email marketing. Okay, direct sales, affiliate marketing. We're going to be covering almost every single aspect of that. So that way, I'm not going to try to rush the series out. I'm going to take my time. So the next series of videos I put up, guys, we're going to just keep it. We're going to keep it simple, and I'm going to keep it right inside the build a list, build a business, make money online YouTube video series. So let me tell you guys what you can be expecting within the next couple of videos, guys. Okay. Let's talk about what we're going to be covering. In addition to domains, right? We're going to be talking about how to set up your very own domain, okay? And for you guys who have got Power Lead system, and there are guys that, if any of you guys who have actually are joined Power Lead system with me, you have it, and you know how the domains work with the Power Lead system. But we're going to go more. We're going to talk a little bit more about domains. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit more about domains. We're going to talk a lot about traffic and lead generation. Okay, a lot about that. You know, some different traffic sources, banner ads. We're going to be talking about a lot of SEO stuff. You know, just going to be a lot of free giveaways, guys. And hopefully you guys are just following along and you're just starting to get some great ideas in terms of what it is you want to market and promote, because you may not want to be in the money-making niche, right? I told you guys that I extended an invitation for you guys to join me in Best Easy Work, since that's one of the platforms that I was actually using as an example and an illustration in this video, the early part of throughout this series. So you guys can do that. And I told you guys you'd be able to level my little mini website if you wanted to actually start uh, uh, helping your new signups inside of Best Easy Work get started, right? Because it is all about action, guys. And I do a lot of people can actually stand over my shoulder, so to speak, and watch me as I go into the ad placement process. And these can work for any business, not just Best Easy Work, but anything that you're doing. So I encourage you guys to join. You can get, you join Best Easy Work. I'll leave the link in the description there. You can get started absolutely free. Once you join, you'll have instant access to my mini playlist and that mini or my mini website, should I say. And that mini website, guys, is going to continue to grow with different ad sources that I'm putting inside of it. And when it gets too big, I'll just continue with another website. And that's another way to also keep our traffic moving fresh, right? Everybody won't be getting the same pages because there'll be enough ad sources inside. And we're just going to be talking about a lot of different things where internet marketing is concerned. So by all means, stay plugged into the channel. Now, I can tell you guys this, within the next two videos, guys, 2 or 3 things are going to happen. Well, 1 or 2 things are going to happen. Number one, I think I'm going to start the case study on the next video, guys, okay? I'm going to actually go inside with this particular capture page, okay? And I'm going to run traffic right before your eyes, right into this capture page, guys. And that'll be the first case study in this series. But I'm going to continue to do case studies throughout this series, because I want you guys to understand this. Everything that you do now, after you get your capture pages set up, or should I say, after you've determined what it is you want to market and promote, whether it's a business opportunity or you just want to do some affiliate marketing with some other things, products and services, whatever it is, once you've made that decision and you decided to start creating your own capture pages, guys, and then as you do that and you follow through with the process and you set up a few emails to follow up in your autoresponder with your particular list as you start to grow it, then the next thing that you want to be focused on, guys, is honing your skills, right? In terms of copywriting and things like that. But the most important thing that you want to do after you got all those initial steps in place, all those things set up, is start driving traffic into your capture pages, okay? For you guys who've been on my channel for a while, you hear me all the time talking about all I really do is use automated, done for you automated marketing systems, guys. And so we're just going to be diving into any number of different ways you can position yourself in front of your particular target audience, any number of ways you can follow up with your particular prospects or your leads now that is coming onto your list, and just how to, again, continue to hone your skill, work on your personal development, and remain a student of the game of internet marketing. Because as internet marketers, guys, we are always students, okay? So again, guys, in the next video, get ready, get set, and you're going to watch me run traffic right into this capture page on a live video, guys. You're going to see me place the traffic for it, right? Maybe about $50 or $60 worth of traffic. I'm going to run it right into this page, and we're going to follow along and see what happens. And we're going to continue to do these case studies, and we're going to continue to build our list and build our business to the extreme, right? Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are super pumped and super excited. Stay plugged into the series. This is your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.